We're keeping a close eye on Capitol Hill at this hour. Negotiations, we're told, are nearly finished for a relief package benefiting millions of Americans. This is a deal worth nearly $2 trillion. This would greenlight checks to most Americans. Let me tell you how it'll shake out. Each person who qualifies would get about $1,200 if they make less than $75,000 a year. Families of four would get $3,400, and furloughed workers would get 4 months' worth of salary. Congress and the White House have been busy all day long hammering out the final details after several failed votes. Once that deal is approved, we'll send you a push alert on your WTHR News app. Well, we are about an hour away from the governor's stay-at-home order taking effect, and there's still lots of uncertainty tonight about how this order will impact our daily lives. Want to give you the key points tonight. This order takes effect at 11:59 p.m. and lasts through 11:59 p.m. on Monday, April 6th. But it could extend beyond that based on the outbreak. Now, this order is mandatory. It requires people to stay at home unless you work for an essential business or doing an essential activity. Now, those essential activities include getting food, caring for a loved one, getting necessary health care, and enjoying outdoor activities, just so long as you practice social distancing. Now, the term essential business covers a lot more than you may think. Grocery stores, laundry services, daycares, hotels, and hardware supply stores all included here, and there are plenty of others. We've included a link to the entire list tonight on WTHR.com. And here is the other big question we're facing. How will the police enforce this stay-at-home order? Well, today, Indiana State Police clarified they won't start pulling everybody over to see where they're going. Instead, they say it would take an extraordinary event to warrant a citation or an arrest. They're reminding everybody tonight to only look for reputable sources for information. They're saying that any social media posts referencing martial law are fake and should not be shared online. Well, we could see another spike in unemployment filings since non-essential businesses will be closing in the coming days. Yesterday alone, in fact, our state received 38,000 calls about unemployment, everything from eligibility to how to apply. Now, as bills begin piling up for small business owners, some are now coming up with new ways to make ends meet. In fact, Michael's Soul Kitchen is a restaurant and jazz lounge. It's been open for about a year. Last week, the owners were forced to close. Owner Connie Oates told us she'll apply for loans or grants, but says the need is immediate. In fact, there were about 20 employees that worked there, and many of whom were also laid off from their second jobs.
I don't really think you understand how blessed you are until something's gone, and especially if it's gone overnight.
Oates went on to tell us she'll begin offering carryout, partnering with delivery services like Grubhub. She wants to offer low-cost meals to seniors to try and bring in some extra money. Well, there are a lot of self-employed Hoosiers who are not eligible for unemployment. Don't worry, though, tonight. Our state is looking into that issue. They're told they'll be giving us an update tomorrow. And the governor set up a hotline to answer questions and guide companies through this stay-at-home order. This hotline had more than 1,000 calls just today. We've got the phone number that you see here and the email address on your screen. They're also posted tonight on WTHR.com. Well, breaking tonight, a deputy prosecutor here in Marion County has now tested positive for the coronavirus after visiting the juvenile detention center. Right now, we don't have any reports of any staff, visitors, or kids at this center showing symptoms. But anyone who came in contact with that deputy prosecutor are now being told to isolate themselves and do so immediately. Well, several other public workers here in the Indianapolis area tonight also tested positive for the coronavirus tonight. One of them, in fact, is an Indy Parks employee working over at Washington Park. But the city doesn't believe there's any risk for people who visited recently. The other confirmed case is a firefighter in Speedway. Town leaders are telling us that victim is in quarantine right now, along with 4 other firefighters who were exposed. The fire department doesn't believe the patient spread it to town employees or the public. The rest of the fire station, we're told, is getting tested, though, just as a precaution. Well, that testing got a little easier today with Eli Lilly and Company expanding that drive-through testing service to first responders. Right now, those drive-through tests are available at their global headquarters here in downtown Indianapolis, for first responders and healthcare workers who have a doctor's order.